Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and in today's video we have the May Beauty Grab Box to unbox and review. It contains 7 full-size products this month worth a total of 1270 rupees, and as I mentioned last month, the new price tag of Beauty Grab Box is rupees 339 plus 60 for shipping, which is still quite affordable in my opinion. It is not a personalized box, so the shades etc. will be sent randomly, but you all will receive the same products as I have. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing. Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos. This is how both the grab boxes have reached me. Inside we have a layer of bubble wrapping on the boxes. So this is how the box looks like inside the bubble wrapping. We have a white outer cover for the box too. And once we remove that, we have this black, grey and white combination floral print grab box. And on the back side, it has all the social media handles mentioned along with the website link. Once we open, we have this beautiful card that says Beauty Grab Box. And this time they have a picture of Wonder Woman. It says be powerful as well as beautiful. And again, their website address is mentioned. They always send such nice cards that you can keep actually. And there's the info card which we will go through later. And here is how the products have come packaged. There is a cover that says the brand name, and there is some shock proofing and some colorful potpourri etc. So let me start with the makeup section. At first we have this Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream. It has 5.8 grams of product and it's in a beautiful reddish shade. The shade number I have received is 02. The shades will be sent randomly, but all will be receiving different varieties of red. Packaging is quite nice. I did like the packaging. This is how the doe foot applicator looks like. Let's have a swatch. So this is how the shade looks like. It dries to completely matte finish, but it is quite creamy, so I believe it will not be drying on your lips. I like the pigmentation and the color payoff, and I really like the shade. Red is my favorite shade, and this is a very beautiful cherry red shade. You might get a orangish red or a brick red or maroony red, that kind of shades. But all of them I believe will suit Indian skin tones a lot, and I'm definitely happy with this product. And next we have this nail paint which says Instant Dry Hilary Rhoda Nail Polish of 9.9 ml. Hilary Rhoda is a decent brand. Their products are good. I have used a couple of them and they were good quality. And I really like this cookie crumble or marble finish, this sand grain kind of nail paint. This is really trending nowadays. Nykaa came up with these and then every brand has been coming up with them. And I actually don't have many of such shades, so I'm definitely happy with this. If you are new to this, then you must try this out. And then the final piece of makeup in the box is this Miss Roach Professional Makeup Dreamlike Bright Eyeshadow of 18 colors. So this is the eyeshadow palette. So this is how the packaging is, quite sleek and nice, and the shade number here is 03. There are 3 shades available and they will be sent randomly. The net weight is 11.5 grams and the ingredients are also mentioned here. It does come with a mirror here, and these are the shades along with a sponge tip applicator here. I do like the shades. There are lots of shades that will look very good on Indian skin tones. We have some brown nudes here, some colorful shades here, and the basic black, grey and highlighter white shade here. So a good color combination, I would say. If you're a beginner to makeup, then this eyeshadow will definitely help you in creating some looks before you invest into higher end products. And Miss Roach products are also good. They are not bad as such. I have tried a couple of their products too. Then moving to skincare, we know that every month we receive an essential oil, and this time it is the Peppermint 100% Pure Essential Oil of 10 ml. Here it says it eases digestion and supports headache, increases blood circulation and immunity, clears respiratory tract and freshens bad breath. So these are some uses of this essential oil. Price is 300 rupees, specific for 3 years from February 2018. The packaging will be similar as before. So this is how the packaging looks like. Nice and sturdy and good packaging. I am definitely happy to receive essential oil always. Then the next product from the in-house brand is this Sandalwood Mist with Vitamin E. It is a full-size product of net volume 100 ml. Cost is 200 rupees, bottled in January 2018, best before 18 months. Ingredients: it has double distilled water, vitamin E oil, vegetable glycerin, sandalwood extract, sandalwood oil and natural color. It's a cruelty-free product and paraben-free product. Here are all the details on how it works, the usage and the caution. It has a very nice sandal kind of color actually. The packaging is also quite good. It is actually a bit hydrating on the skin and I love the fragrance. It has the exact fragrance of sandalwood and I love sandalwood fragrance personally. It is not a very strong fragrance as such like ethers and all. It's a very mild fragrance that will go off in a few minutes, but it will definitely give you a refreshed feeling and a mild fragrance stays on to you. I am definitely happy with this product. Mists are something that I look forward to using in summers, so this is a good addition during April month. Then we have this bamboo charcoal nose mask for blackhead removal. It has all the things written in some other language, but this is basically a blackhead remover mask, as you can see right here. So yeah, definitely useful. I do use these quite frequently, like at least a couple of times in a month, because I do have lots of whiteheads if not blackheads, so these are quite helpful in removing them. This is a single strip, so just for one-time usage. And then finally we have a tool like always, and this is quite a unique tool. This is actually an armpit razor, and this shape kind of razor I have never seen and used. So this is how it looks. It is quite thin and the shape is made as such that it will be comfortable for your armpits. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying this one out. I do not shave my armpits usually, but it is definitely good to keep such things handy for emergencies. So that was all in my May Beauty grab box. Let's have a look at the info card. The Faken Sandalwood Mist is for 200 rupees. Miss Rose eyeshadow palette is for 300. Peppermint essential oil we already read as 300 rupees. Armpit razor is for 90. Lipstick is for 200. Nail paint is for 150 and blackhead nose strip is for 30. So the total worth of the contents is 1270. So this is definitely one of the most value for money boxes. I have told time and again I love the inclusion of essential oils every month. I stopped purchasing them individually and I am making my own collection through these grab boxes itself. I did like the sandalwood mist a lot and the lipstick and nail paint. Armpit razor was also unique and definitely a handy product as I told. So overall I am very impressed. We have a lot of products at a very affordable price tag. So if any of you guys are interested, then all details on where and how to order are mentioned in the description box below. So make sure you check it out. You will also find a link to the giveaway running on my channel. It is a new giveaway for the month of May. So if you haven't already, please do check it out and participate. It's very simple with only 2 rules. So don't miss your chance. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.